Hi, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So today we're going to cover a topic that a student sent me. He didn't know how to do it. First off, I want to clarify the question could be simplified. So they can give you this and they can tell you to simplify. They could also say which is equivalent or solve. But in essence, you're looking this to which of the options it would reduce. I encourage you to try to do it. So if you're watching this recorded, I would encourage you to press the pause button, try to do it, to press the pause button and try to do it. Okay, whether you decided to try to do it or not, let's talk about it. Um, let's write it. First, let me explain a few concepts. To be able to understand this, we need to know a few concepts. First concept we need to know is that when you add letters, example, if I have x5, 3x5 plus 2x4 plus 7x5. When you add letters, it has to be same letter, same exponent. I can't, I can add x5 with x5 because it's same letter, same exponent. We call that like terms. Those two are like terms. X4 has no like term in this one. Um, so you would just add the coefficients, 3 plus 7, 10, and the exponent and letters stay the same, and you just lower the rest. So that's how you would add letters. Another thing you need to know is that when you multiply letters, for example, if you multiply 3x2 times 4x3, when you multiply letters, exponents are added. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 times 4, 12. And that when you divide letters, exponents are subtracted. So when you divide letters, let's say I have 10x4 divided by 2x3. When you divide letters, exponents are subtracted. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, and the exponents are subtracted. 4 minus 3, 1. So those concepts are what you kind of need to know to solve this problem. So we have 92x exponent 3, 92x exponent 3, plus 8 minus x minus x exponent 2 divided by x. Is that what we have? Yes. So first thing we need to recall is that if you don't see anything here, when you don't see anything there, there's a 1. So I can rewrite it. I'm just going to rewrite it with the 1 there. Okay, now we know that when we divide letters, this is a division. When we divide letters, exponents are subtracted. So you would end up doing this. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is x exponent 1, which is also x by itself. So 92 x exponent 3 plus 8 minus x minus, because you're dividing, when you divide letters, exponents are subtracted. 2 minus 1 is going to give you x exponent 1, but in math, we don't write it. We can omit the 1 there. Now, second thing you have to remember is, well, x3 has no like term, so it's going to stay the same. And 8 has no like term, so we're going to leave it as 8. But in math, when you don't see anything here and when you don't see anything there, there's also a 1. So we know there's a 1 here and a 1 here. And then when we're adding letters, the coefficients are going to be added. So you're going to end up adding negative 1 minus 1. When you add negatives, look at it as a business transaction. I take away 1, I take away 1. If they take away 1, they take away 1, you lose 2. That's going to give you negative 2x. That option would be letter D. If you didn't understand how to do this, we are going to do another example in a little bit. For those that are students, in your additional videos, basic concepts, look for the videos called add letters. In your additional videos, formula videos, look for the video called negative and positive if you have to review negative and positive. We have another example. Try to do it. Okay, so we have this problem. If you want to try to do it, I encourage you to press the pause button, try to do it, press the pause button, try to do it. It's always good to attempt it. Let's talk about it, whether you wanted to try it or not. Let's see how it's solved. So we have negative 8x exponent 5 minus 12 plus x exponent 6 divide x minus 4. Okay. So first thing we have to remember when we don't see anything on top of a letter, there's a 1. So there's a 1. Let's rewrite that. Now can recall that when we divide letters, exponents are going to be subtracted. 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1 is going to give you x exponent 5. Now we can add the like terms. Negative 12 and negative 4 are like terms. We can add them. If I take away 12 and I take away 4, you lose 16. In math, when you're adding negatives and positives, think of a business transaction. They take away 12, they take away 4, you lose 16. Here it says they take away 8, even though you don't see it, even though you don't see it. When you don't see anything in front of a letter, there's a 1. So they take away 8, but they give you 1 back. If they take away 8 and they give you 1 back, you really lost 7, negative 7. Negative 7x5 minus 16, negative 7x5 minus 16, that's going to be letter A. Again, for students in your additional videos, basic concepts, look for the videos called add letters. They're in alphabetical order. And if you need to review your negatives and positives, you're looking for your additional videos, formula videos. So I hope you guys understood this. If you didn't, just keep studying, keep practicing. For anybody else who's not a student who wants to look for more info on this topic, it should be under add letters. Maybe doing a YouTube search or a Google search on different examples of adding letters. Yeah. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. If this was helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment, and share it in your social media. That always helps people hear more about our services and they can hopefully get a good score in the test. Take care, guys. Let's pass.